SDCCD default course template. This is the course shell that you'll receive for your course on Blackboard. So for online courses, new shells are created automatically based on your online teaching assignments in the district schedule. Those shells are created automatically, but for on-campus courses, instructors do need to submit a course request form, and when they get the notification that the shell has been created for them, this is what that brand new shell will look like. So in either case, if it's a brand new on-campus course or a brand new online course, this is what that brand new shell will look like. So let's take a quick look at this template. Notice that the edit mode switch is turned on right now. We're looking at the home page, and the first thing that we see on the home page consists of this entire piece of content here. It's a Blackboard item, which includes a banner image and some text. Welcome to our course. So this is a Blackboard item. The next icon on this page is a content folder labeled Student Orientation and Tutorials. Clicking on the title of the link, you open up the folder and you reveal two additional links. The first is a link to the online student training and orientation, and the second is a link to Blackboard's On-Demand Learning Center for students. This is Blackboard's Tutorial Center for students. So I'll click the course homepage to get back to the homepage. The next icon on this page is an empty folder where instructors can add their syllabus. The next icon on the page is a link to the 24/7 help desk for students and faculty. And then there's a final link to the important resources for students page. This is a page that includes links to counseling, libraries, important deadlines, etc. So that's that home page of the template shell. In the course menu on the left, you'll find additional links. The syllabus link takes you into that syllabus folder that we were looking at before. It's the empty folder where you can go in and add your own syllabus file. The announcements link opens up the announcements tool where you can create and send announcements to your students. The assessments link is a content area which is empty by default and therefore does not get displayed to students by default. But you can add assessments into this content area, and similarly you can add assignments into the assignments content area. And that's how those links are meant to be used, but instructors can rename the links, reorder them, remove them completely if they plan to use a different course design. The discussions link opens up the discussions tool. Notice in the discussions tool you do have a default Q&A forum already there. The calendar link opens up the calendar tool, and the chat link opens up the chat tool. You do in your chat tool have a default common room which is already set up for you. So Learning Modules is the name of a content area. It's not a tool. And it's a content area that instructors may or may not be using. If you're using it, then it'll become visible to your students once you add your content inside this folder. Remember, you can rename, reorder, remove these links according to your course design needs. So Messages. Messages is a link to the Course Messages tool, the internal Blackboard messaging tool, and this tool is also available to your students by default. Web Links is another content area. That's a content area that can be used to share website URLs with your students, and there's a couple in there already. External Email is a tool link, and that's only available to instructors by default. So the external email tool allows instructors to email their entire class at once at their external email addresses, Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail. And so that's turned off for students. Students don't see this link and therefore can't email each other at their external email addresses. And the My Grades tool is how the students see their grades when logged into your course. The instructor uses the Grade Center to view the grades. So that's why it tells us here that our role doesn't have personal grades. Okay, so that's a very quick tour of the default course template. Remember, as instructors, you can make this course design work for you and your students and your content. So that means you can remove links, rename links, reorder them as much as you need for your own course design. We do have other tutorials available that show you how to make those updates to your template. For example, how to add your syllabus and begin uploading your course materials. Be sure to check out those tutorials once you are ready to begin working on your new course shell and getting it ready for the upcoming semester. Good luck!